Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Policygenius app after cancelling, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Policygenius app, first locate your device's home screen. Look for the Policygenius app icon on your screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or remove app if prompted. Confirm that you want to uninstall the app. The app will begin to uninstall from your device. Once the uninstallation is complete, the app icon will disappear from your home screen. For iPhone users, find the Policygenius app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until the icons start to jiggle. Tap the small X that appears on the app icon. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Select Delete to remove the app from your iPhone. For Android users, find the Policygenius app in your app drawer. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Drag the icon to the uninstall or remove option at the top of your screen. Release the icon to confirm the uninstallation. The Policygenius app will be removed from your device. Check your home screen or app drawer to ensure the app is no longer there. You have successfully uninstalled the Policygenius app. Make sure to restart your device if you experience any issues. That's it for the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.